Friends, welcome to our channel. We are going to discuss about types of welding positions for plate and pipe. Before go to the video, kindly subscribe our channel. Your subscriptions will encourage us to upload more videos on welding. Actually, ASME section 9 gives the different types of welding positions. ASME section 9 chapter QW120 gives the acceptable angular deviation for different positions. For horizontal and vertical planes, the acceptable angular deviation is plus or minus 15 degree, and for inclined position, that is plus or minus 5 degree. Next, chapter QW121 gives the different positions for plate and pipe. The plate positions are 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G, and different positions for pipes are 1G, 2G, 5G, and 6G. Now we can see the plate positions. First one is 1G. In 1G position, the surface of the plate will be horizontal. Means if you assume a building, the surface of the plate will be parallel to the floor of the building. Here the welder will move his electrode in horizontal direction. He will move the electrode parallel to the surface of the plate. The movement of the electrode is in horizontal direction. This is also known as horizontal welding position. 1G is also known as horizontal welding position. Next, 2G position. In 2G position, the surface of the plate will be vertical. Means if you assume a building, the surface of the plate will be parallel to the wall of the building, and the welder will move his electrode in horizontal direction. So the electrode movement will be parallel to the floor of the building. That is known as 2G position. 2G position also known as flat position. Next position is 3G position. In 3G position, there is two variants are there. They are 3G uphill position and 3G downhill position. First one we can see 3G uphill position. The arrow towards top indicate that is 3G uphill position. In 3G position, the surface of the plate will be vertical, that is parallel to the wall of the building. The welder will move his electrode from the bottom of the plate to top of the plate. That is known as uphill position. Here the electrode movement is vertical position. Next one is 3G downhill position. In 3G downhill position, the electrode movement will be from the top of the plate to bottom of the plate, but the surface of the plate will be remain vertical. The arrow towards bottom side indicate that 3G downhill position. 3G position also known as vertical position. Next, 4G position. In 4G position, the surface of the plate will be horizontal, that is parallel to the floor of the building. Here the welder will move his electrode in a horizontal direction, but the weld will be made at the bottom side of the plate, not on the top side of the plate. 4G position also known as overhead welding, because the welder will make the weld on the top side of the bottom side of the plate. Next, pipe positions. First one is 1G position. In 1G position, the axis of the pipe will be in horizontal direction. Here the pipe will be rotated for 360 degree. The welder will hold the electrode at the top of the pipe. So this is known as 1G position. Next, 2G position. In 2G position, the axis of the pipe will be vertical. Here the pipe will not be rotated, but welder will move his electrode around the pipe 360 degree to make the weld. This is known as 2G position. And in pipe there is no 3G and 4G positions. Pipe next position is 5G position. In 5G position, the axis of the pipe will be horizontal, but here the pipe will not be rotated. Welder will move his electrode around the pipe to make the weld. This is known as 5G position. Next one is 6G position. In 6G position, the axis of the pipe will be inclined for 45 degree from the bottom. Here the pipe will be fixed and welder will move his electrode around the pipe. This is known as 6G position. These are the different types of welding position in pipes.